that bullshit. Now you got all these fucking birds. I'm on the phone looking up tickets to Brazil, and the fucking bird shits on my phone. Are you kidding me, dog? That's twice. First time I'm over here.
He got shit on twice.
And this
he got shit on 2 times.
And D Will's like, hey, you know that's good luck, right? Then I come over here. I got bird shit on my speakerphone. Oh! Hey, what's up, man? Fuck!
He got an Alfred Hitchcock. Hey, he gonna ask me, you scared of birds? I said, no, but I'm scared of birds.
Hey, let me use your shirt, dog. Oh, that's gross. Hey, what's up, man? Bird shit on my phone. Leave Tyrone alone. Shit. Like real talk, shit on my phone. God, I need to. Dad, you got some water in that water bottle? I got a. Huh? Like, no, real talk, bird shitted on my phone. Shitted, shit. Whatever's the past tense. I don't like this. Uh-oh. A little water. Tyrone's cleaning service. Phone cleaning service. Oh, this is gross. Hey, what's up, man? Bird shit on my phone.